That's hadha. Istahwadha means over time, shaitan has actually gained complete control over them, so he doesn't have to come and do like 20 waswasas for them to do something. Shaitan just goes, and they act. They are whooped. They are under his complete command, ready at his slightest indication. Istahwadha alayhim ash-shaytan fa'ansahum dhikrallah. Then he made them forget the remembrance of Allah. This will come full swing. This is one of the heaviest subjects in the Qur'an at a philosophical level. It's coming in the next surah, but it's alluded to already. فَأَنْسَاهُمْ ذِكْرَ اللَّهِ. Then he made them forget the remembrance of Allah. أُولَٰئِكَ حِزْبُ الشَّيْطَانِ. Those are the party of shaitan. أَلَا إِنَّ حِزْبَ الشَّيْطَانِ هُمُ الْخَاسِرُونَ. Know that the party of shaitan, no doubt about it, they're the ones that are the ultimate losers. So here, the people who follow the whim of shaitan. Shaitan doesn't even have to do much. They're on autopilot with shaitan. They are the hizb, they're the party of shaitan. Now the other side will be mentioned. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يُحَادُّونَ. Actually, once this subject is done, then the last side will be mentioned. إِنَّ الَّذِينَ يُحَادُّونَ اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ أُولَٰئِكَ فِي الْأَذَلِّينَ. Those, no doubt, who opposed Allah and His Messenger, was this kind of sharp opposition mentioned in the beginning of the surah too? الَّذِينَ يُحَادُّونَ, here and at the end, you see? It's a review. Those who oppose Allah, and those who continue to oppose Allah and His Messenger in the harshest way, those in fact are are in the midst of those who are the most humiliated. Al-adhalleen, the most humiliated. Katab Allahu, Allah has ordained, declared, written, لَأَغْلِبَنَّ, I will absolutely dominate. أَنَا وَرُسُلِي, I and my messengers. إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَقَوِيٌّ عَزِيزٌ. No doubt Allah is mighty and possessing ultimate authority. From this, some scholars have derived that Allah does not allow His messengers to be killed, to be overcome. And if they do die, they die after the mission's accomplished. Or if they go, the nation's destroyed, they're not destroyed. They're not destroyed. This is Rusul. Anbiya, however, prophets are killed. Anbiya got killed. But Rusul, أَغْلِبَنَّ أَنَا وَرُسُلِي. They're going to dominate. And ghalaba is actually in the sense of the world. In this world. لَا تَجِدُ قَوْمًا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ. You will not find a group of people who actually believe in Allah in the last day. يُوَادُّونَ مَنْ حَادَّ اللَّهَ وَرَسُولَهُ. That will be showing mutual love to those who oppose Allah and His Messenger. This was a test of faith that most of us are not tested with. Most of us are not tested with this.